people settle for a level of despair they can tolerate and called it happiness. Sleeping is the highest of genius. For it is not what happens to me that makes me great, but it is what I do. Faith is the highest passion in a man. You become what you understand. Life has become bitter drink to me, and yet it must be taken in drops, counted one by one. I opened my eyes and showed the real world, and I began to laugh and haven't stopped since. Faith begins precisely where thinking leaves off. The best response to criticism is to smile and forget. The highest after all is not to comprehend the highest, but to do it. If you don't have many friends that mean you have a lot of experience. Nothing ventured, nothing gained.